And today we are going to see how to find the ground state and higher state wave functions using ladder operator, that is annihilation and creation operator. First take the annihilation operator, which is defined as 1 over square root of 2 h cross m omega multiplied by m omega x plus h cross t over tx. So this is the annihilation operator. Then you take a wave function, ground state wave function psi naught. So what will happen if annihilation operator act on psi naught, that is ground state wave function? It cannot go below the ground state. So the result will be 0. So naturally, now you replace A by its operator. That is 1 over square root and this bracket terms inside the bracket. Now if you move this to the other side, this multiplicative factor, then you will get m omega x plus h cross t over tx is psi naught is equal to 0, because even if goes to other side it will be 0 only. Then you bring m omega x to the right hand side, which will become m omega minus m omega x. Of course you have psi naught, and bring this h cross also other sides. Then you will get minus m omega x over h cross psi naught. So now I can rewrite this. You bring psi naught to the left hand side and dx to the right hand side. So I brought psi naught to the left hand side. T psi naught over psi naught is equal to minus m omega over h cross x tx, because I brought this tx to the right hand side. And now we got this expression, that is T psi naught over psi naught is equal to minus m omega over h cross x dx. Now you take integral, carry out the integral on both sides. So left hand side will become integral T psi naught over psi naught, which is equal to the right hand side. You take minus m omega h cross outside the integral because it's a constant. Then integrate x dx. Now what will happen if you integrate x dx? You will get x squared over 2 if you integrate x. Then you replace this integral x squared over 2. Then the left hand side, if you integrate t psi naught over psi naught, this is natural logarithm of psi naught, which is equal to minus m omega over 2h cross x squared. This 2 comes from here, x squared over 2. Now that integral constant is, we can take a constant, integral constant as a. Here it is normalization constant. So psi naught is equal to a multiplied by e power minus m omega over 2h cross x squared. Now our ultimate aim is we have to calculate that is we want to find the normalized wave function. So for that modulus I star must be equal to 1. If we take modulus square of this, you will get a squared. You are taking that outside and integrate minus infinite to plus infinite. E power minus, if you square this 2 will go away. E power minus m omega over h cross x squared dx, which is equal to 1. Then what is this integral? This is Gaussian integral. Here alpha is m omega over h cross. The value of this integral is, this is standard integral, square root of pi over alpha, which is equal to square root of pi over, alpha is equal to m omega over h cross. H cross will go to the numerator. So I am replacing this integral by uh, square root of pi h cross over m omega. Then you have a square which is equal to 1. Then what about a? You take a square root of this. You bring this to the other side. If you bring this to other side, this will become square root of m omega over pi h cross. And if you take the square root, then a is equal to m omega over pi h cross whole power 1 over 4. This is a. Now replace the normalization constant here. That is psi naught is equal to m omega over pi h cross whole power 1 over 4. Then this exponential minus m omega over 2 h cross x squared. This is the ground state wave function. Now we will see the higher energy wave function. Now we have to find the higher state wave function using Ladder operator. So for that you apply the creation operator. That is get n is equal to a dagger power n over square root of n factorial. Uh, this get 0. So if you act a dagger on get 0, this will raises its state by 1. That is a dagger you act once, then this will be get 1. Twice it get 2. Of course this constant will vary. So you will get the square root of n factorial. In position basis, I am not going to derive this equation. So that is a little bit mathematics is involved. So I am taking the final result. From this in positions phase, this is a get vector. Now we are going to write this in the form of wave function. That is nth state wave function as a function of x is equal to 1 over square root of 2 power n factorial and this normalization constant h sub n of square root of m omega over h cross x. Then this exponential term comes. Here I will explain term by term. This here already you have 1 over square root n factorial. This 1 over square root 2 power n comes because of the multiplicative factor of Hermite polynomial. This multiplied by the normalization constant, and you have to multiply this by Hermite polynomial. You know about the Hermite polynomial, you will readily get the result for nth Hermite polynomial. I have already solved a few problems based on Hermite polynomial. Still, I am going to solve few more problems about Hermite polynomial. Then this exponential function. So as I mentioned, where h of n are Hermite polynomials. If you find this lecture helpful one, kindly subscribe my channel. Also share and join for the growth of my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video and supporting me continuously. Thank you very much.